What do you do when your thread breaks and your quilt isn't done being quilted? All right, let's zoom in here. So what happened is right here is where it all started falling apart. And of course I wasn't here when it happened, so you can see it kept stitching, but because it was out of bobbin thread, the stitches were only stitched on the top. Nothing was in the bottom to hold them in place. So I have my bobbin here. All right, so I like the tension. So my screen is up. It was just tootling along and actually finished, but bobbin thread broke. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit this little toolbox and I am going to release my carriage. All right. Now while my carriage is released, I am going to replace my bobbin. So let me put my bobbin back in. And then I will bring this back. So I have moved my machine over. I've put the bobbin in place. Now I am going to go with my machine to where I want to restart. So we're back to where my machine stopped quilting, or where I ran out of the bobbin, which is right here. So I'm going to place my foot just a little bit before that because I don't want to start right where it ended. I want a little stitching to go over it. Nothing noticeable, but a little bit. And this is such a cool feature. You have to see this. Right here is a closest stitch button. This is the one I normally use. So I'm going to hit closest stitch, and my machine just moved to what it considers the closest stitch. And it shows everything else that's quilted out, and it is going to start right where that dark blue line ends, and that is going to be right here. So I'm going to click pull bobbin, pull up my bobbin thread, which I think is kind of long, but that's okay. Okay. And then it's pulled up my bobbin. Now I'm going to press sew. Now if your bobbin thread isn't long enough, you can do a redo. And if you need to mess around with the bobbin thread, you can do a single stitch, move away or move back. But mine worked out just fine. So I'm going to click sew. I'm going to hold on to my threads. And that is how easy it is to recover from your bobbin running out of thread. I hope this was helpful. I know that recovering from my bobbin running out of thread is so easy with this Quilt Path software. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye.